Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking today was sent to me by Khair. Shout out to you, Khair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking did not come how you guys see it, but obviously I did decide to curl it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys their specs and details on this wig. So I did opt to get this unit in 16 inches, and I chose that length because I've already done this unit in its natural state in a long length. So this unit, it says Kriyya Ombre Honey Blonde Deep Wave Human Hair Wig with Brown Roots Pre-Plucked Deep Wave 13x4 Lace Front Wig. Okay, so the lengths that are available is 14 to 28 inches. As I stated, I did decide to get this unit in 16 inches. And I'm looking for the details. Alright, so I don't see any other details with this wig. This unit is a 13x4. It is in the Ombre Honey Blonde. It's a deep wave wig, and I have it at 16 inches, but I don't see anything like as far as the density and all of that stuff. I do not see that anywhere on here. I don't know if I'm just missing it or what, but I don't see it. So that's all the information that I have. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, strap to packaging, really it did not do any. I don't know if it's the length or what. I did expect some, especially because it is a deep wave wig and it is colored. So I did expect some, but honestly, I didn't get any. So I think that may be because of the length that it is, but she didn't do any other thing. So I want to throw that out there and let you guys know that. As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is very big head friendly. I personally am an average cap size, so I can only speculate with that, but I did have to adjust the straps with this unit, and whenever I have to adjust the straps, then I deem a unit to be big head friendly. If I don't have to adjust the straps, then I consider it to be more so small head friendly. But as I stated, I am an average cap size, so that's purely speculation. Okay, so do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, so we know I like to start with the cons because your girl like to end on a high note. So, let me just say, my biggest con with this particular wig was that I do not feel like the waves that's in the frontal are the same texture as the wave that was in the rest of the hair. And that is sometimes an issue, but I hadn't had that issue in a minute, but I did notice it. It was wavy, but it wasn't as deep of a wave. It was more of a looser wave than the waves that was in the back, which is one of the reasons why I did opt to curl this hair instead of wearing it in its natural state. I was kind of leaning towards that anyway, but that helped make the decision for me. So I just want to throw that out there. That is my con with this unit, as well as it being a 13x4. But I've said that before, so you guys already know that 13x4s are just typically, they can be a con for me. Sometimes they're not. It just depends on the unit. But yeah, that's the con. So let's get into these pros. My pros with this unit is the color is gorgeous, the texture is gorgeous, it curled perfectly. I love the hairline and that it was minimum work as far as the hairline and stuff goes. Those are my pros with this wig. Alright, so what I recommend, oh girl, it just depends, okay? If you are somebody that, I don't know if that's going to be the case with every single unit, but the differences in the textures, maybe an issue for you. Like I said, it's not a big deal for me because I knew I was gonna, I knew I could finesse it. But if it's an issue for you, I don't know if it will be something that's extremely noticeable. But to me, it was. So it just depends on you. So I love the unit. I would recommend it for me, but I want to throw those out. It just depends on you. Alright y'all, so let me go ahead and do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Alright, so that is pretty much it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Kriyya Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on the color I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it will cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know.